Students can get Amazon Prime for free for up to 6 months, and then it's only half off after that. So, the way to do this is through the Amazon Prime for Young Adults subscription. It used to be called Amazon Prime Student, and it's actually at the link in the description. So, if you click on that, it'll take you to this landing page. And you can do this if you have, or if you don't have Prime, you just have an Amazon account, or if you have Prime, you can actually switch to the discounted rate as well. You'll land on this page that says 18 to 24-year-olds, so you don't even have to be a student. You just have to be between 18 and 24 or a student. You can also verify as a student. And you'll click on this button and it's going to say join Prime for 18 to 24-year-olds because this is the Prime for Young Adults subscription. And you can verify as a student or you can verify as an 18 to 24-year-old. And basically, it's a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime, which comes with Prime Video, comes with free food deliveries like Grubhub Plus. It also comes with 5% cash back, which is not something you actually get on the regular Amazon Prime subscription. So that's a cool perk that you get. And you don't just get this for 6 months, you get it for as long as you qualify for this. And so after the 6-month trial, you'll see that Amazon Prime is actually 50% off. And if you already have Prime, then that landing page will actually say like verify your eligibility or something like that. So you can switch your regular subscription to the discounted 50% off Amazon Prime for Young Adults subscription. But that's how students can get Amazon Prime for free. There's a link in the description that will take you to this landing page where you can sign up for Amazon Prime for Young Adults.